Hello dear all friends, today we are show you my Pelican ficus plant. So friends, the Pelican ficus plant is a very best plant making for a bonsai tree. The Pelican ficus plant branches is very flexible branches, and this plant is growing very well every season, and the main trunk looking very natural, and the new growth is coming in the every condition, winter season and the summer season, no issue. It's growing very well, and the leaves shapes, you know up and downs, very nice shape. I love it. I love the ficus family plant, ficus family bonsai trees. It's easy to make bonsai tree, and the roots structure is very beautiful. you know it's out of the soil, but this plant growing very well, no issue. The out of soil roots, very nice design. Naturally, I don't work in this roots, but it's very beautiful. So here in the roots it is a damage, I think. Yes, it's grow very slowly, so not coming in the soil, not deep in the soil, and this is not growing. It's a damage. By the way, other roots it is growing easy to every condition. We are show you back side. Wow, very beautiful here in roots. Let me show now. Very beautiful roots, and very nice natural looks here. Roots is very beautiful, and this look, wow, very beautiful plant. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. So support me in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.